Stan Wofford has pulled out some of his vehicles for us to take a look at, and they're all over the map. Everything from hot rod trucks to Camaros to even Model A's. So let's talk about this Corvette, man. This thing is beautiful. It's pearl white. It's really sharp.
You know, you kick the top back and on a nice sunny day and get it out on the road and just cruise.
If you had to say one of your favorite parts about this car, what would it be?
The fact that it's a 6-speed. You know, you can go through the gear, you can feel the power yourself and control it. So I really enjoy that.
Yeah, this car, 1959 Corvette, sitting on a 1993 Corvette chassis with a LT1 from a 93 Corvette engine. The engine is stock. I wasn't really having in mind to have a lot of power. You know, it's a cruising car.
You showed me underneath the car, and it definitely is not a 1959 Corvette.
People are very shocked when they look under the hood and underneath the car to see a 93 Corvette chassis under there. So we're sitting on that, and makes the ride very modern feeling.
You know, each car has a little bit of a story to it. The 31 Model A was my wife's uncle's car, and you know, he was getting up in age and he wanted the car to stay in the family. I bought the car from him and put a new engine in it. I had to look online to figure out how to start the thing. You need to turn the gas on. The gas is gravity fed. There's no gas pump, so the tank is up top and the gas flows down to the carburetor. So essentially, once you get that set up, you're just gonna hit the, you know, choke it a little bit, start it, and there you go. The 1968 Camaro was my first car that I got when I moved here to Tennessee. That car, I've done a lot of work on it. When I got it, didn't have engine, didn't have the suspension was shot, no interior. So now it has a 350 with a 700 R4 transmission. I mean, it's a pretty nice show car. And of course, here's the 53 Chevy 5-window pickup with the 383 stroker in it. Even though this one is amazing, by far my 53 Chevy 5-window pickup is probably my favorite. Has a 383 stroker with a turbo 350 transmission in it, and I just recently converted it from carburetor to fuel injected, which it made it run way better, and it's amazing running now. But that thing is probably kicking out about 440 horsepower on the light rear end of that truck, so it'll get moving pretty quickly.
And just for the record, it's not Tennessee orange, it's actually Omaha orange.
It's Omaha orange because I'm originally from Arkansas, and I'm a Razorback fan, not so much a ball.
We're having more fun out here, and we just don't want to come home, so.
This thing drives me crazy.